Do you fancy learning how to say goodbye in these different languages? If that's the case, you are in the right place. If you are new here, my name is Dee, and I love sharing my knowledge and passion with people around me. So without further ado, let's get this language party started, shall we? 再见. Okay, so there are two characters here. 再见. 再见, goodbye, in Mandarin Chinese. And what about in Dutch? Tot Ziens, Tot Ziens. And in German, Auf Wiedersehen, Auf Wiedersehen. And this is quite a formal way of saying goodbye in German. In Spanish, you can say Adiós, Adiós. And finally, in Italian, and this is a very informal way of saying it, Ciao, Ciao. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you find this video useful, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye for now.